Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add chat in Snapchat. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to simply open up your Snapchat. So I'm going to click on here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply head over to your friend list. So I'm going to simply click on my friend list right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply select a contact that you want to hide their chat. I'm going to simply select this particular contact right here. And I will simply send them a message. Now let's see how we can simply hide this particular chat. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to simply click on their profile name. Take you right here, and the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top side corner right here. Take you right here, and the next thing you need to do is to simply click on chat and notification settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on clear from chat feed. Are you sure you want to clear this conversation? What you need to do is to simply click on clear. By the time you go back to your friend list, so by the time I go back to the chat section on my Snapchat, so let's simply go, and I'll simply go back. Then if I go to my chat section right here, so you see that the contact is not going to be here. So take a look at it. If I refresh, the contact is not going to be here. Now, for us to bring back this particular contact in our chat section, what we need to do is to simply come to the top right here. So what you need to do is to simply enter their username right here. So just like what you see right here, and you can see the person contact right here. So click on it back, and you back to their chat. Then you can continue to chat with them. Send it as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply hide chat in Snapchat. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.